Now, in functions, you also need to know something called composite functions, which is basically combining functions in different ways to get an answer. And these are quite straightforward as well. So again, I think it's best to learn through questions. So here we are. Well, if fx is equal to 2x plus 3 and gx is equal to x squared, we need to find all these beautiful composite functions below. Now, it looks like a mess, but I'm going to try and make this mess make sense. So first one, A, we want to find fg4. Okay. Right, so we want to find fg of 4. And what I'm going to concentrate on first is finding g of 4. So g of 4 is equal to, we're going to replace whatever g of x is. So g of x is equal to x squared. So I'm going to replace that with 4. So it becomes 4 squared. So g of 4 is 16. Therefore, f g of 4 is now equal to, we know that g of 4 is 16. So it becomes f of 16 we need to find, which again, we can find that by replacing wherever x is up here with 16. So it becomes 2 multiplied by 16 plus 3. So 2 times 16 is 32 plus 3. And that gives you 35. So the answer of fg of 4 is 35. Right, so part B, we need to find gf of 4. So again, I'm going to focus on finding f of 4. So f of 4 is equal to 2 times 4 plus 3. So that equals to 8 plus 3, which equals to 11. So f of 4 is 11. G f of 4 is the same now, or is equal to G. Now we know f of 4 is 11, so G 11 is what we need to find. So G11 is 11 squared, which is 121. So the answer to the question, part B, is 121. Part C, we need to find f of 3. Okay. Now, again, we're going to find what f of 3 is. And that is equal to 2 times 3 plus 3, which is 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So f of 3 is 9. Once we know f of 3 is 9, f3 is now equal to f of 9. Right? Because f of 3 is 9. So we need to find f of 9. So f of 9 is equal to 2 times 9 plus 3, which is 18 plus 3, which is 21. ff3 is 21. The last part of this question is to find part D, gg5. Again, g of 5 is equal to 5 squared, which is 25. So if g of 5 is 25, that means gg5 is equal to g25. G of 25 is equal to 25 squared, which is 625. So the answer of gg5 is 625. Right, so I hope this makes sense. Any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try and get back to you on it.